Now let us begin with the solving of numerical for Nernst equation. The question is, write the Nernst equation and calculate the EM of the following cell at 298 Kelvin. Cell is copper solid, vertical line, copper ion, concentration 0.130 m, salt bridge, silver ion, concentration 1.1 into 10 की power -4, vertical line, silver in a solid form. Given E naught copper ion copper 0.34 volt, E naught silver ion silver 0.80 volt. For solving this numerical, first write redox reaction. In this reaction, the E naught value of copper is greater and E naught value of silver is less. That means it will be oxidation of copper and reduction of silver will be taking place. When we will write redox reaction, the copper solid will be converted in the form of copper ion with the loss of 2 electrons. Now, because the 2 electrons has been lost, the 2 silver ion that will gain these 2 electrons to be converted in the form of silver metal. 2 silver ion will gain these 2 electrons and they will be converted in the form of silver solid. The total redox reaction will become copper solid plus 2 Ag positive, arrow copper 2 positive plus 2 Ag. The equation will become E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2 log concentration of copper ion divided by concentration of silver ion raised to the power 2. Why this 2 has been written? Because there are 2 silver ions here. Now, first of all, we will calculate standard electrode potential by the formula E naught silver ion minus E naught copper ion. The value will become 0.80 minus 0.34, it will be 0.46. Now put this value in the Nernst equation. E cell is equal to 0.46 minus 0.059 upon 2 log 0.130 divided by 1 into 10 की power -4 square. Now, when you are solving this equation, first of all square this value. It will become 1 into 10 की power -4 into 1 into 10 की power -4. That is 1 into 10 की power -8. When you are taking this value above, it will become positive 10 की power 8. So it will become 0.130 into 10 की power 8. Now you can write it as 1.30 into 10 की power 7. You will see the log of 13 into 0. When you will see the log, it will comes out to be 11.1139. Now you can write it as 7 log 10 plus 0.1139. When you will add this value, it will comes out to be 7.1139. I will again repeat this. Just see, in this the value of log is 0.130 into upon 10 की power -4 raised to the power 2. Why 2 has been taken? Because there are 2 silver ions. Now, if you will square this value, it will become 10 की power -8. You take this value above, it will becomes 10 की power 8. You can write it like this here. Now you write this value as 1.30 into 10 की power 7. Now apply log rule. 10 की power 7 will become 7 log 10, and if you will see the value of 13 from log table in 0, it is 1139. You can put point in the beginning, it is 0.1139. The whole value will become 7.1139. Now you solve it, you will get the value 0.21 after solving it, and after solving it you can very easily calculate the value. Now we can calculate equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Suppose there is a redox reaction. Zinc solid plus copper ion is in equilibrium with zinc ion plus copper. All of you know the E cell becomes 0 at equilibrium, and the concentration of zinc ion divided by concentration of copper ion, that is concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant, is equal to K, and K is known by the name of equilibrium constant. The Nernst equation is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon 2F log concentration of zinc ion divided by concentration of copper ion.